Hi, my name is Rachel Poe, and this is my assignment on hydrophilic and hydrophobic substances. There is going to be two different concepts I'm going to be explaining, and why certain substances are those concepts. These two concepts will be hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Hydrophilic is tending to mix, dissolve, or be wetted by water. Hydrophobic is tending to repel or fail to mix with water. Certain substances can be hydrophobic or hydrophilic. Here is a cute example that I found on hydrophilic and hydrophobic. As you can see, the hydrophilic side, all of the little creatures love the water molecules, while on the hydrophobic side, no one wants to be by the water molecules. Hydrophilic substances are hydrophilic because of molecules when they have charges or partial charges. These type of molecules are called polar. Water itself is a polar molecule and made up of one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms bonded together with covalent bonds, while hydrophobic substances are composed of non-polar molecules that repel bodies of water and attract other neutral molecules and non-polar solvents. If you were to put a hydrophilic substance like sugar, salt, starch, and cellulose into a beaker of water, they will dissolve or mix into the water as the molecules easily form a hydrogen bond with water. If you were to put a hydrophobic substance like alkynes, oils, fats into a beaker of water, the substance will repel water. Hydrophobic liquids such as oil will separate from the water. Here's another example that I found. As you can see, the oil can't mix with the water.